Out in unincorporated Douglas County, where new homes and businesses keep popping up, construction thefts are adding up too. The sheriff's office says these crimes are impacting builders and driving up home prices, and they're now teaming up with the state to stop it. Stealing small tools, large equipment, and even machinery. Since 2023, the Douglas County Sheriff's Office has noticed a trend in construction crimes costing builders hundreds of thousands of dollars.
When we first met with Sheriff Hansen in 2023 to address the problem, my company in particular, just as an example, we build about 175 homes a year. We were averaging about $150,000 in construction theft a year.
Knowing they had to do something to try and stop it, the sheriff's office increased construction site patrols and has been working with builders to ramp up security.
For us personally, we've installed job site cameras on every job site. It's helped tremendously, I feel like.
Since the initial effort began, unincorporated Douglas County has seen a decrease in these crimes over the last 2 years by 52%. But even with the crime rate down, repeat offenders are keeping the cost up. The sheriff's office is now working with Senator Brad Von Gillern to introduce a new legislation to combat this issue statewide.
If we can drop construction site theft in Douglas County, that's great. But if that means we push the crime to Lancaster County and Dodge County, where these same members of our business community and construction community continue to be victimized, that ultimately doesn't help them.
The bill would create a higher classification of a felony for those who steal over $100,000 worth of items, while also enhancing penalties for repeat offenders.
These thefts lead to higher construction costs. They contribute to the challenge of affordable home building and home purchasing in the state of Nebraska, and we need to do everything that we can to stop it.
The sheriff's office is also partnering with the state patrol to find these criminals, while builders work to educate each other on theft prevention, asset recovery, and managing access to job sites. The sheriff's office says stopping these repeat offenders will take more than just arrests, but stronger laws and community eyes on every site. Near 204th and Fort, I'm Jill Lampkins, your Elkhorn neighborhood reporter.